So if you're using LD Player on a PC with integrated graphics, no dedicated GPU and performance feels rough, yeah, you're not alone. The good news is LD Player can actually run pretty smoothly on integrated graphics if the settings are right. In this guide, I'll show you exactly what to change in 2026. Let's start. First, close heavy background apps before launching LD Player. Browsers, launchers, and screen recorders take GPU and memory resources that integrated graphics really need. Now open LD Player and click the gear icon on the right to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab, set CPU cores to 2. More cores on integrated graphics often cause stutter instead of helping. For RAM, choose 4 gigabytes. This gives stable performance without overloading the system. Next, graphics mode. If you're on integrated graphics, OpenGL usually performs better than DirectX. Switch to OpenGL, then restart LD Player so the change actually applies. Now drop the resolution, set it to 720p. For DPI, use 240. Higher resolution and DPI look sharper, but they hit integrated graphics really hard. So yeah, keep it modest. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and any extra visual effects. These features are designed for dedicated GPUs and usually cause stutter on integrated graphics. Set the frame rate limit to 60 FPS. Unlimited FPS sounds good, but on integrated graphics, it can cause unstable frame times and sudden drops. Make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Without it, LD Player relies way more on raw CPU power, which makes integrated graphics struggle even more. And that's it. With these settings, LD Player should run noticeably smoother even on integrated graphics. No dedicated GPU needed. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LD Player performance guides on the channel. See you next time.